Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about what is Google Analytics for. Before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Google Analytics is widely used by businesses to track user interactions, such as web domains. Most businesses know that this platform can be a useful tool to track the amount of traffic that they can get. The new Google Analytics 4 comes with the new features that make it different from the old version. One of the new changes is the data modeling feature that uses AI to fill in gaps in data. Before, the analytics may be blocked by cookie consent rules to focus on privacy. The new analytics can fill out data for website traffic using its advanced machine learning models. It can help businesses collect significant data from users. There are new reporting features that allow you to have more detailed insights into how people interact with your site. It helps provide insights into your website and also adapt to changing environment. Google Analytics gives more control in adapting to environments and being flexible without the need to reconfigure the tracking code. Google Analytics 4 still uses the same platform for the app plus web system. This system's focus is on tracking users across apps, software, and websites. This means the goal is to shift the data shown to focus on users. The new analytics also focuses on events. These events are the way that data is represented in the new analytics. It will be easier to fill in the gaps that businesses are not able to understand. Google Analytics can be beneficial for analysts, marketers, or even developers. It joins data from websites and mobile apps in one simple interface, and it provides reports that are useful for measuring a variety of user experiences. You can group users into audiences based on the probability that they will make a purchase. If your marketing goal is to drive more traffic to your website, you can learn which users are engaged with your content. Some users might browse your content, but you will know who is actually spending time on your website to read your blogs, articles, or even watch your videos. Google Analytics is the future of analytics. It offers a new generation of web analytics. Marketers can analyze customer metrics aside from website traffic. It also tracks customer path across multiple platforms, and it provides detailed insights into how users interact with your website and app. Your homepage report will help you determine where new users come from, what your top performing campaigns are, or which pages get the most views. Next, your real-time report shows you what happened within the past 30 minutes. Next, lifecycle reports can quickly answer how your audiences discover and enter your conversion funnel, or how they behave once inside the funnel. It also includes user reports on demographics and technology. If you need to run multiple ad accounts, multi-account social media, blog, and group marketing campaigns, we have a marketing app that can help your business run multiple marketing campaigns successfully. It's called Logi. It is the first multi-login, multi-account, anti-detect browser. First, run ads from multiple accounts. You can run multiple accounts and do multi-account marketing securely. You can gain 100% protection on all social media sites, forums, and blog sites. You can avoid wasting money on slow and expensive VPSs. You can secure multi-login browsing right on your computer. You can even scale your business and earn profits with multi-login marketing. Run multi-login, multi-account campaigns for yourself or your clients. Logi has the ultimate anti-detect protection for your digital marketers. It has geodata protection, IP protection, independent cookies, time zone anti-detection, and more. So try Logi now. Go to logi.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.